The advice I'd give to my younger self is fake it till you make it. I think that's really important. I think, you know, as I said, it's shown time and time again, for example, that men apply for a job role. They might not tick everything on the list. They might only tick off 20% of that list, but they say, well, that's it, that's talking about me. Whereas women, we feel that we need to tick off 90, 100% of things on the list before we apply for a role. And I think there is something we can learn from that, and that fake it till you make it, you know, kind of mentality. And I think I wish I'd told my younger self that too, that don't feel scared that you don't have all the answers. Don't feel scared that you're not an expert. You don't know 100% of the facts about anything. You know something, and just go for it, and don't let that hold you back.
I think if I was to give one piece of advice to my younger self, it'd be really on the importance of building a network from the very beginning of a career, particularly in the financial services market. I think there are incredible benefits from doing that. Many members of your network may go on to be future clients and may actually end up even working in your own organisation, and through understanding their values, understanding their knowledge and skills, that can just be a powerful enabler of future business connections that are incredibly valuable.
The advice that I would give my younger self is to relax, just be yourself. Don't try and be something that you're not, and just be real. I think that very early on in my career, because Wall Street and working in the city was quite new to me. I had never worked in that type of environment before. I didn't know how to act like a banker. And I think that I spent so much time just trying to figure out how to act, I just should have been myself. And it would have been fine. And I think so that's really the advice that I would give my younger self, is just to be yourself. Everybody's gonna love you. Maybe not everybody, but that's okay. And just, sort of do your best job.
Tell my younger self not to worry quite so much. I think it's really important not to let the fear of what might go wrong put you off from trying. I have managed to overcome my fears often, but clearly, the worst thing that can happen often is just that you have to start again, or that you have a temporary setback. And I would encourage, I think we women tend to overanalyze situations. We are quite self-critical. I'm afraid sometimes we're judgmental of others. Just go for it sometimes.